Find the derivative of 4x plus 5 sin x upon 3x plus 7 into cos of x here. Okay. Therefore, f dash of x here is equal to denominator term square here. That is 3x plus 7 into cos of x square here. Then 3x plus 7 into cos of x keep as it is here. Differentiation of numerator term 4x plus 5 into sin of x minus. Then 4x plus 5 into sin x into differentiation of d by dx of 3x plus 7 into cos of x here. Then this is equal to 3x plus 7 cos x here. 3x plus 7 into cos of x into bracket. X differentiation is 1 here. 4 ones are 4. So write here 4. Then plus 5 into sin x differentiation is cos of x here. Minus of 4x plus 5 sin x. 4x plus 5 into sin x into. Then 3x differentiation is 3 minus 7 into sin x, because cos differentiation is minus sin x here. Whole divided by. So 3x plus 7 into cos x it's a square. Then multiply the terms here. This is equal to 3 into 3x into 4. 3 4s are 12 here. 12x. Then the 3 5s are 15. So 15x into cos of x here. Then so 4 3s are 12 here. Then this one. 15. 7 4s are 28 here. Plus 28 cos x. 7 5s are 35. 35 cos square x here. Write all the terms in a bracket here. Then the minus of. Okay. 4x into 3. 12 minus 12x here plus 12x. Plus 12x. 4 3s are 12 here. Then the 7 4s are 28 minus 28 x into sin x here. Then the 5 3s are 15. So 15 sin x here. Then the plus into minus becomes a minus of 5 7s are 35. 35 sin x here. Sin 35 sin square x. Whole divided by. So 3x plus 7 cos x. It's a square here. Take this minus inside here. Yes, this equal to 12x plus 15x cos of x here plus 28 cos x. Then plus 35 cos square x minus of 12x here. Minus into minus plus 28x sin x here. Minus into plus minus of 15 sin x here plus 35 sin square x whole divided by. So 3x plus 7 into cos x is a square here. Then the plus 12x and minus 12x cancels here. Then the 15x cos x. Write as it is 15x into cos of x here. Then 28x sin x plus 28x into sin x. Then 28 cos x is that plus 28 cos x minus 15 sin x minus of 15 sin x. Here from this to 35 common factor here. Yes, 35 common here. Cos square plus sin square x, write in the bracket here. Cos square x plus sin square x right in the bracket 4 divided by, so 3x plus 7 into cos x, it's a square. Then here sin square plus cos square becomes 1 here. Okay, therefore this is equal to, so 15x cos x, 15x cos x here, 28x sin x, 28x sin x, 28 cos x here, plus 28 cos of x, minus 15 sin x, minus of 15 sin x, and this becomes 1 here, 1 into 35 becomes 35 divided by 3x plus 7 cos x whole square, 7 cos x, it's a square here, so this is the answer here. So f of x equal to x square cos pi by 4 divided by sin x here. Here differentiating with respect to x here. Hence f dash of x equal to denominator term square here. Sin x, it's a square here. Then here cos pi by 4 is a constant here. It is a constant. Differentiate only this function here. Okay. So first write here sin x here into differentiation of x square cos of pi by 4 here. Bracket complete minus x square cos of pi by 4 here. Okay. Then into sin x differentiation here, d by dx of sin x here, d by dx of sin x. Therefore sin x write as it is here into, here cos pi by 4 is a constant here, you not differentiate, differentiate only this function. Therefore x square differentiation is 2x into cos of pi by 4, keep as it is here because this is a constant here, minus x square cos of pi by 4 into, and sin x differentiation is cos x here, 4 divided by sin square x, 4 divided by sin square x here. Therefore this equal to cos pi by 4 here as well as here. So take the common factor, cos of pi by 4 is a common factor here. Then 2x sin x, 2x into sin x minus x square cos x here, minus of x square cos of x divided by sin square x, divided by sin square x. So this is the answer here. So find the derivative of x divided by sin raised to nx here. Hence f dash of x is equal to denominator term square here, sin raised to nx, it's a square here. Then the denominator term sin raised to nx into differentiation of the numerator term x minus x right as it is here, differentiation of the denominator term sin raised to nx here. Therefore this equal to sin raised to nx into x differentiation is 1 here, minus of x, and sin raised to nx differentiation n into sin raised to n minus 1 into x here into, need to leave this as n here. Then differentiation of sin x is cos of x here divided by sin raised to 2x, sin raised to n x here, because sin raised to n raised to 2 is there, so you can write the sin raised to n x here. Therefore this is equal to, you can take Sin raised to n minus 1 common factorial. Sin raised to n minus 1 x common factorial. Then the remaining term here, sin x here, minus of n into x cos x, nx cos of x divided by sin raised to n x here. Okay, here this is a common. Just observe here, this term into this term. If you multiply here, so sin raised to 1 here by plus or minus 1 cancels, remaining is this here. Then this into this gives this term divided by sin raised to 2n x here. Then take this term to denominator here using a laws of indices here. Sin x minus nx into cos of x divided by sin raised to n minus of n minus 1 here. N minus of 1 x. You are using a laws of indices here. You know, a raised to n divided by a raised to m is equal to a raised to n minus m here, or 1 upon a raised to m minus n. Okay, so we are using this result here. Yes, so this is equal to sin x minus of n into x cos x here divided by, so sin raised to, take a minus inside here, 2n minus n becomes n here, minus into minus becomes plus 1 of x here. So this is answer here.